Welcome back. In this lecture, I'll show you practically how to use reduce function in a complex transformation scenario. So I'll tell you the requirement right now. See here, I have this transform message component where I am loading an XML by using read URL. There's a products.xml in class path. This is a products.xml and I am getting a list of products as an array and displaying them right now. So if you see, there are a lot of products and there are almost 12 products. Actually, I'll show you this XML products.xml, which is in examples folder. Here you can see there are products from product ID 1, 2 and up to 12. There are 12 products. Okay. Now for each product there is a price, original price. Let me show you. For each product there is original price. Now what I want is, there are brands also. Again, see here, there is HP brand, Apple brand and Apple brand, IBM brand, and again HP brand also is there. See, so what I want to do is, I want to find out totally by iterating over each product. I want to find out for each brand what is the total prices for each brand. HP, how many times is it occurring? One time. HP, yeah, there's one more time, two times. This price is 2000 and this price is 1000. So total price of all HP products is 2000 plus 1000, 3000. And how many HP product count is there? 2. Similarly for Apple, 1, 2. Only 2 products are there for Apple. So what is the total cost of all Apple products? 35,000, 30,000, 65,000, and count is again 2. So I want count of how many products are there for each brand, and also I want the total price. Okay, that's what I want. So let us see how we can achieve the same using reduce. So I have products, reduce, and I want a function. Let me tell what is the function I want to apply. Element comma accumulator is equals to array, and I'll write ACC plus plus element. ACC plus element. Yes, concatenating, adding each tag into this. Is it same as the original one? Let me comment out this part. There's no changes yet. So what I'm doing, by using reduce right now, I'm iterating through each product. Initially I said accumulator is an empty array. Again adding element to each array. So there is no difference right now. Now I will actually use a different accumulator. I will copy paste and I'll explain you. I have created a nice documentation. I'll copy paste and I'll explain you here. This is going to be my accumulator right now. What is the accumulator? Accumulator is an object. Accumulator is an object because it's in curly braces, right? Where first key is HP. Again its value is again another object where price and counters are initially zeros. And simply what I am doing is, the function is just giving the accumulator. So same value I got. So for each element in the product, it is iterating and emitting only accumulator. I'm not doing any operation, right? So it is simple right now. So let us modify it step by step. Now I'll modify here the first argument. Instead of making it as element, better if I make it as product right now. current element. Okay, now what I'll do is I'll emit product dot brand name. So I got the last brand name. After iterating, it is the last brand name which is displayed. Now what I want to do is I want to write an expression with match and curly braces. Here I'll write the last statement else. What I want to do is I'll just want to write accumulator ACC. Okay, there are no cases right now in the match, so I want to write some conditions based on the product's brand name. So right now I wrote only else. Now what I'll do is I'll write a case case. The current element for this match, I'll take it as b name or brand name, anything. If b name is equivalent to HP, I want to write ACC minus brand name minus I want to take out from the ACC is this whole object, right? I want to take out this element minus HP, and I want to concatenate it with plus key is again HP colon like this. Now you can see the resultant array, if the brand name is matching HP, from the accumulator I am removing this actually, and I am again adding it at the last HP colon. Here I want to add price colon, I'll say ACC of brand name B name, but B name is capital, right? I'll make it as lower of B name. What will this dot price? That means this will get the price, existing price in the loop. ACC of key is what in this case? Lower of brand name is HP dot price will get plus the current element original price, product dot products dot, it is original price. Now you can see the price is updated as 3000, right? I told you that for HP products there are two HP products. First HP product, the price is 1000, and there's one more HP product at the bottom, 2000, 3000, right? So what I am doing, it's a bit complex, try to understand, don't get confused. Let us spend some time here. So what I am doing, reduce will iterate over each product and call this anonymous function. First argument is a product and second argument is my custom object as accumulator. Then for each element I am using, if the brand name is matching, I'm using a match condition. The case B this one is taken as an alias b name, or in this case b name, and if it is HP, if it is equivalent to HP approximately, I'm using this one. I could use is equals to like this, right? Or if I'm using tilde, it's like approximately equivalent. That means even if it is in string format or number format, some other things, it will work, right? So for safety, I'm using tilde equals, or you could use equals also. Okay. Now, what I'm doing, ACC, what is the current value? In the current value of accumulator, ACC of HP will give this whole object. Dot price. Price is what? 0 plus current price. So again, second time when it gets second HP product, ACC of HP will be what? 1000 plus second HP product value is 2000. 3000 will be replaced. So like that. Now again I want to give the count as well. I want count colon what ACC dot HP dot count plus 1, the current value plus 1, right? I'll use actually the spelling mistake, it is count. Yep, now there are 2 HP products, I got the count. Similarly, I will write the case for other products also. Here the product name is Apple, and here I'll make it as the key is actually Apple, small apple, right? I'm removing this key and adding a key value pair again with same key, right? Here it is Apple dot. So now I got 2 Apple products. Their total price is 65,000 and count is 2. Similarly, I can write other cases. There are 5 cases. Third case is IBM. I'll make it as IBM. Here again IBM, and here it is ACC dot IBM dot count. See now, let's see here. Oh, IBM price is still. Oh, spelling mistake here. IBM. Yeah. Now you can see IBM count is 2 and total price of IBM products is 38. Similarly, I'll add 2 more cases for Samsung. Here it is Samsung, and again Samsung, and here it is ACC dot Samsung dot. So now there are 3 Samsung products and total price of Samsung products is this much. And finally Motorola. And here the key is small Motorola, and here it is Motorola.count. Yes, so I have 3 Motorola products, 3 Samsung products, and these are the prices, right? See what I have iterated over each product using reduce. Basically, carefully say this, I am using reduce. Reduce will iterate over each element of this array. First argument is the current element, and the accumulator is my custom accumulator, which is an object like that. So now for each product, if the brand name is matching this condition, it will go to first case. So if brand name is HP, what I am doing, accumulator minus HP, it will remove this element, and I am adding one more key, HP, and the value is what? Key is price. the current, for the current accumulator, I'm getting the value of price plus the current original price. Like that count I'm incrementing. Like that I wrote, and I got all this sum of products and counters, right? A bit complex, but you'll get it habituated slowly, right? Now what I want to do is I want to make a function which will actually return this. So it's very simple. Instead of giving this everything in the body, I want to write a reusable function so that I can use. I'll write fun get product KPIs. Normally we call this as KPIs, key performance indicators, which will actually get the total prices and counters actually, right? So which will take products is equals to, and I'll take this dot dash dash dash. So this is equivalence to anyway I'm using this product, and here at the end I will add dash dash dash. Okay, so I created a function called as get product KPIs. If I pass any array, products array, it will return this, right? Now what we can do is we can call this get product KPIs and pass the products, calling the function. Okay, so I got the counters if I pass a products array. Yes, now what I want is I want to calculate average price of all the products, right? So what I'll do is I'll create a variable product averages. Now I want to get this object, and then I want to iterate over each element and then calculate average. Average is nothing but price by count is the average, right? So I'll call this get product KPIs, and now here I'll just write right now product averages. So I got the same thing, nothing much. Now what I'm doing, I will iterate over each keys inside it. I want to iterate over each keys. To iterate over each key, you know, there is something called as object map object. So this will take value and key. Value is the statistics. It will iterate over each key and value. It will give each value and key. Value is the statistics object. I'll say stats, comma, the product key. The key is nothing but this one, right? Product key. Okay. Then I want to emit, while map operator will emit like this, right? I want to emit key value pairs. So it's empty right now. I want to use this variable inside the key colon. What I will do is I want stats dot price as number. I'll give it in a parenthesis so that it will be casted by stats dot count as number, I'll keep this again in parenthesis. Okay, so this will give the value is an average, right? Price by count. But here when I use product key, actually it's taking like a string, right? Now I want the actual key, so I have to use parentheses in the key. It is an evaluation operation. It will evaluate the value. Now you can see Apple, first time in the iteration it is Apple, right? For Apple, the average is this much, Samsung, right? All this values. Now I want to format this value. What I'll do is I'll say as string and format colon hash comma hash dot 00 as number here. Now it is why the format is not coming properly. um, Stats dot price, stats dot number. I'll wrap the whole thing. Yep, now I'm getting in this format. So I got average values, right? So first I got the price and their counts. I'm iterating over each key and then again calculating the averages. Now see what I'm going to do. I want to iterate over each product, and for each product I want to add this average, concatenate the current average. So see, I'm modifying this product, map operator map. Okay, and argument I'll give current product comma product index is second argument, right? Then what I want is to this product current element I want to concatenate product. Now you can just see this product, sorry. Now you can just see I'm iterating over each element and then emitting product. It's just like original products, is it? Now I want to add average. So I want to concatenate plus plus and an object. I'll say AVG average colon. I'll take product averages of the key is I'll pass lower of product dot brand name. See now for the first product HP, I got the average price of HP appended. Oh, why am I getting it like this? From the array I'm getting it. Yeah, now it is fine. So for the first product HP, the average of HP products is added, concatenated, right? Similarly for Apple, this is average. Very simple, right? I have actually iterated over each product, and for each product I have added the corresponding averages. So hope now you understood how we have used reduce to iterate over each element and actually calculate the total price and count, right? Complicated, but I hope I made it easy to understand. Okay. I actually wanted to show you one simplification here. Earlier, when I was using reduce, I used match and multiple cases here, right? Instead, I will actually do a simplification. I don't need to make this too much complex. Mm, I will comment out this part. Let me comment out. Yeah, up to here I commented. Now, what I will do is Mm, instead of writing cases, I will do like this. I will write accumulator minus lower of product dot brand name. So actually here I was hard coding for case HP, case Apple, right? So I'm making it dynamic. ACC minus lower of brand name plus plus again. I want to again write lower of, oh, sorry, lower the same expression again, because here I wrote same HP the key, right? Again I'm using colon like this. Okay. Hey, right now, let me call this function get product KPIs and pass products. Okay, I'll comment out this averages part also right now. Mm, okay, let us see the preview. I got the keys removed and again same key, but the value is empty object. Now here I want to write price colon. Earlier I wrote like this, right? I'll copy this. Now here I will use product dot brand name. See, you're getting the price accumulated. Similarly, comma, I will write count and here I will write ACC of, again, I will use the same expression lower of product dot brand name dot count. So where is the error? Okay, again I have got count. Fine. Now do you see count also got accumulated? Yes. So actually, um, this whole thing has been replaced with this dynamically. I got it, right? So this is a simple one. Now what you can do is we have come to end of this reduce. This reduce is very, very, very important function. Many people will ask you in interviews. I want you to practice this. So what you can do is now go to day 17 of my Git repository. Here is a document using reduce. Whatever I have discussed till now, everything is documented. So please go through it step by step and complete this exercise. Then only go to the next video. That's all. See you tomorrow.